Hey, this is Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. We are going to do a Hollandaise sauce. It's one of the 5 French mother sauces. It's a rich, creamy, lemony sauce. It's delicious with fish, eggs, and vegetables. This sauce is an emulsification of clarified butter and egg yolks with the addition of lemon for flavor. At the end of the video, I'll give some tips on how to remedy a split sauce or a thin sauce. The ingredients include 3 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of water, roughly 1 cup of clarified butter. Check the description below for the link on how to make clarified butter, juice of half a lemon, a pinch of salt and white pepper, and cayenne pepper for presentation and a little bit of a kick. First, add the egg yolks and 3 tablespoons of water. And start to whisk over a very low heat. You do not want to scramble these eggs. If you scramble the eggs or cook the eggs or make the eggs grainy, then your sauce is ruined. You're going to want to constantly check the bottom of the pan for the temperature of the mixture. If it's hot to the touch, you're going to go ahead and take it off the heat, put it to the back, stir it, whisk it for a little bit. Once it cools down a tiny bit, you're going to want to bring it back to the heat. And keep on doing this process until the mixture is nice and thick, foamy. You'll know that this step is done whenever you whisk and it leaves trails and you can see the bottom of the pan. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Now it's time to start to add the liquid gold, the clarified butter. You're going to add this at first spoonful by spoonful until it gets incorporated into the mixture and it starts to get a little thick. Once it starts to get thick, then you can go ahead and you can start drizzling it in slowly. Add a pinch of salt and white pepper and the juice of a half of a squeezed lemon. If your sauce is too thin, you can go ahead and put it back over the heat for just a tiny bit. You don't want to get it too hot, otherwise it'll separate. And if it's a little bit too thick, you can add a little bit of water or lemon juice and whisk it in to thin it out. Once the sauce is creamy and thick, you're done. For another tip, whenever you're adding the clarified butter to the sauce, if the sauce starts to become broken or separated, your temperature might be a little bit too hot. So it might be a good idea to go ahead and add a little bit of cold water and then start whisking it in. This will cool the sauce, allowing it to come back together again. Hey, thanks for watching. Check the description below for the recipe. Please leave some comments below on the type of sauces that you might like me to make. Help support the channel by subscribing, and I'll see you next time.